Hey, this is Josh with Dover Living.
And Greg with Splish Splash Pool Skates.
Come on back, we got a project going on here in Milton.
Hey, my name is. No, do it again.
You're still on?
Hey, this is Josh. This is Greg with Splish Splash Pool Skates.
Trust is out,
I'm out here with Greg with Splish Splash Pools.
Yeah, baby!
We'll do it again.
One more this last time.
All right. I thought the first one was good.
Okay. You're going into too many